Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. I am solving a question about modulus inequalities or equations. This is portion of A2 GCE Cambridge. I will solve approximately 7 questions. If you will solve these questions, this all topic will be clear for you. Any private student, regular student, any students, no need more than this. If we solve more, that is best for him. But these 7 questions, if you will solve, you will know everything about this topic. This question number 1, absolute value 4 minus 2x is equal to 10. This diagram of this one is like this. If you understand diagram, that's best. If you are not understanding, that's okay, no problem. Yes, this first we make a graph of this exponential 2x, we reflect it, then we take vertically 4 up, then we reflect it at the x-axis. You must have to reflect it at the x-axis because that is absolute value, is equal to y10. There is only one intersection, it means we have only one answer. I will start this. 4 minus 2 power x absolute is equal to 10. In this case, we take only the minus 10. Why minus 10? Because reflected part is intersecting with y10. So this other will plus 10 will give the, we cannot solve it. The plus 10, with plus 10 we cannot solve. I will explain after this. This 2x is 14. Now, we find the value of x, we must have to take in the exponential, we always take the log. X log 2 log 14. We take both side logs, then x is equal to log 14 divided by log 2. We will get the answer. Log 14 divided by log 2. What is the value log 14 divided by log 2? We will use a calculator to find this value. That is equal to 3.81. 3.81 up to 3 significant figures. Why we cannot take the positive? Give attention. Y minus 2 power x, 10, 2x minus 6. Minus 6. The log of minus number we cannot solve. We cannot take the log of minus number. Minus 6, if we take log minus 6 on the calculator, math error will come. So no solution. This both side is absolute values and this is inequality. If this type of question come, if we make a diagram, okay, we will not make, no problem. Easily we solve it if we take a square both side. If we take a square both side, we will take the square both side. 5x minus 3 absolute, we take square, 2, 3x minus 7, we take a square. Now 5x minus 3 multiplied with 5x minus 3. We can write without absolute signs. This 25x square minus 15x 30x plus 9. This 2 square is 4. Be careful, when 2 must be, you have to take, if any number outside of this absolute value, we have to square it also. 9x square minus 21 42x plus 49, 25x square minus 30x plus 9, 36x square minus 42 into 4 plus 49 into 4. Then left side we take right side and we subtract it. So 36x square minus 25x square, 11x square, 168 minus 168 plus 30x plus 30x minus 138x, 9 minus 196, 196 minus 9 plus 187 is greater than 0. Greater than 0, because this number is greater, this side is a greater. Next, we have two options. We can solve it by using quadratic formula. If we know factorization, that is the best. I will use the factorization. Take minus, when we take minus out, inside the sign will change. No, this is greater than 0. When greater than 0, that is open part. Above this line, above this line, this part, center is always, when open, we take this way. Here x is greater, here x is less. 1 big value is 11, small value is 17 upon 11, that is critical value. X is greater than 11, x is less than 17 upon 11. Here we take critical value. X minus 11, 0. 11x minus 17, 0. X is 11, x is 17 upon 11. No inequalities. That is above part, above of this lines, that is open part. So 1x is greater than 11, x is less than 17 upon 11. Next, this point in terms of a. Now this a will not confuse you. This, consider this variable a, consider as a number and solve it as like before. 2, 3x plus a, absolute, we take square it, 2x plus 3a, take square of it. You must have to take this 2 square, because this also inside the bracket. 4, 9x square plus 6ax plus a square, 4x square plus 12ax 9a square. This that I solved this equation by squaring it. This is the algebra. This the A-level student must have to know how to square the any equations and solve it. This 36x square 24ax plus 4a square 4x square 12ax 9a square. (36 minus 4) 32x square 24 minus 12 ax 12ax 4a square minus 9a square minus 5a square is less than 0. Is less than. No. 32 5s down. 160. 1. 20 and 8. Factor of 20 and 8. Plus 20 we take plus and minus 8. The easiest way is factorization. The A-level student must have to learn factorization because many questions they need the factorization. So they have to properly know the factorization. But here we have the option. They can solve with the quadratic formula. 32 x square plus 20ax minus 8ax minus 5a square less than 0. Take the common factor 4x 8x plus 5a. Now the common is minus a only. 8x plus 5a. Four x minus a 8x plus 5a less than 0. Critical value. Four x minus a is equal 0. X a upon 4. 8x plus 5a is equal to 0. X is minus 5a upon 8. Here this is less part, less than this line. Less part is close part. This small values, this big value. Close part we write in this way by joining them. X 2a upon 4. Next, this is one side is only absolute value, other side is not absolute values. One side is absolute value, other side is not a absolute value. So in this case the best way is we make a diagram. So I will make a diagram of this one. The absolute value. If you don't know how to make a line, first make a box. Put x 0, you get minus 3. Put y 0, you get a 3. So this x intercept is 3. Y intercept is minus 3. This is absolute part. So we have to reflect it. We have to reflect it. This 3. 2 minus 5x. 2 minus this part. 2 minus 5x. The gradient is minus and y-intercept is 2. Y-intercept is 2. Y-intercept is 2. Gradient is minus. And if we take y0, this come 2 upon 5. So this line come here. It only one intersection here. That is negative side of x-axis. That is negative side of x-axis. So it means that why I make this diagram only to tell you people there is only one answer. That answer is only on the negative side. The student have a mistake here, they give 2 answers. You must have to be careful. When one side absolute value is given, one side is only equation is given, they have to check. Intersection is at 2 places or 1 place. Only 1 place is intersection, and that is negative side of x-axis. We take a square of it and solve it. Minus 10 minus 10 minus 20x. 2 square is 4. X minus 3. X square minus 6x plus 9. 25x square minus 20x plus 4 is greater than 4x square minus 24x plus 36. 25x square minus 4x square. Right side we bring the left side, its sign will change. 25x square minus 4x square, 21x square. Minus 20 plus 24, 4x. 4 minus 36. Minus 32. Now, we make a factor of it. 21 with 32, that is 672. We multiplied it. And the factors are 24, 28. 21 x square minus 24x plus 28x minus 32 greater than 0. The common is 3x. 7x minus 8. 4, common is 4. 7x minus 8. Now we take the critical value. X minus 4 by 3. X 7 upon 8. This is again greater part, mean open parts, above this line. Above this line. Open part, this open, this is open part. This side greater, this side less. One value is 7 upon 8, other value is minus 4 by 3. Minus 4 by 3. This x is greater than 7 upon 8. X is less than minus 4 by 3. So, x is greater than 7 upon 8 or x less than minus 4 by 3. These are the final answer of inequalities. Next, 4x minus 2, 4x minus 2. This diagram, 4x minus 2. Only you have to, if you don't know, make a box, put x and y value, take x 0, y minus 2, take y 0, y 0, 2 upon 4, 1 over 2, 1 over 2. You can easily make it. We have x-intercept and y-intercept. X-intercept is 1 over 2 and 0. Y-intercept is a 0 and 2. 0 and 2. So this is diagram. Now next question. Here. This question, one is absolute value, other is 1 plus 3x. And I make a diagram. There is only one intersection, and that is between 0 and 1 over 2. Now we will solve it. 1 plus 3x. Without absolute value, if we square it without absolute symbols, we can write it. 1 plus 9x square plus 6x, 16x square minus 16x plus 4, plus 4. No. 16x square minus 9x square, 7x square. Minus 16 minus 6 minus 22x. One minus 4. 4 minus 1, 3. This is greater than 0. Greater than 0. Because we take the left side to the right side and minus it. 121. These are the factors. 7x square minus 21x minus 1x plus 3 greater than 0. 7x common, x minus 3 minus 1 common, x minus 3. 7x minus 1, x minus 3. Critical value x 1 over 7, x 3. We make a graph again. This x greater than 1 greater value, 1 less value. X greater than 3, x less than 1 over 7. Because that is a greater value. This greater, this less. Greater value we take greater, x greater than. Less value we take x less than. Solve the equations. We take square both sides. Two x minus 1 square 3 absolute x all square. The 2 square is a 4. X minus 1, x square minus 2x plus 1. This is a, both inequalities are equal. Both equations are equal. These are equations, not inequalities, sorry. 9x square. Take left side to right side. 9x square minus 4x square plus 8x minus 4 is 0. 5x square plus 8x minus 4. This 120 to 10. 5x square plus 10x minus 2x minus 4. 5x common, x plus 2 minus 2 common, x plus 2. 5x minus 2 one answer is minus 2. These are two intersection, two answers. This, if I will next other parts. X they replaced with the 5 power x. 5 power x. Only write 5 power x. That is exponential. X they replace with 5 power x in the second part. Is 2 upon 5. 5 power x minus 2. The negative parts we cannot solve. No solution. Because negative log we cannot take. That is method. This we take log both sides. This equal to minus 0.569. This last they say make a graph. First make a box, take x0, y is minus 3. Y is minus 3, this one. Y is minus 3. So this is absolute value, so we have to reflect the value below the x-axis. Below the x-axis, we reflect it. We must have to take above the x-axis. So by reflecting it, our intercept of this value become a 3. Y-intercept become a 3. And x-intercept is, we take a y0, that is 3 by 2. 3 by 2. 3 by 2. Next, this we take square both sides. When one side is absolute value, other side is a equations. Mostly the answer is only one, not two answers. One intersection happen. Be careful about this. If both sides absolute values, we get two answers. In this case, we get one answer. Five x square plus 24x minus 5. Now 1 and 25. Five x square plus 25x minus 1x minus 5 greater than 0. 5x x plus 5 minus 1 out. Inside sign changes. 5x minus 1 x plus 5 x critical value 1 over 5 x minus 5. They are greater. But here we have one intersections in which this line is a greater, this line is a greater, this side is a greater, this part is a greater. Where the intersection happen here, that part is a greater. We take only the positive answer, we not take the negative answer. We take x greater than 1 over 5. That is only. This is very technical here questions. Most students write two answers. No, we have only one answer. Because I make a diagram. In the diagram, there is only one intersection, so only one answer. That is a positive answer, and x is greater than. X is a greater than. Why x greater than? Why x greater than? Because 3x plus 2 is a greater. 3x plus 2 is a greater, and this greater part is at this side of this line. This the inequality. These questions properly understand it step by step. You have no need of any further preparation for this. That is more than enough. This this will this is this that I solve is helpful for the private and regular all the students. This is enough for them. I tried my best to solve fast and to explain everything. What is needed, what is the technical mistake students do, I try to explain it. Goodbye.